Alpha Men, essential multivitamins for men, from My Protein website. So your body needs essential vitamins and minerals for it to function properly. But in case if you're doing some extra additional physical activities, or if you're deficient of any of the vitamins and minerals, you need to boost your immune system with some additional supplements like these. These are mostly for the men. Okay, I take these vitamins because I work out. I work out 4 or 5 times a week, and it has got vitamin A, D, E, C, K, calcium, phosphorus, zinc, and copper, magnesium. So calcium is good for your bones. Zinc is that will boost your immune system, and magnesium is good for your sleep. And I take this 1 pill a day, and I feel super active every day. So if you are looking for additional supplements for multivitamins, Alpha Men from My Protein is a good stuff, and it has 120 tablets and 1 pill a day, and I paid about £10, I think, so it's a pretty good deal, and it keeps me active and happy. See you guys tomorrow.